Do you ever find yourself standing in the kitchen, frustrated because your dinner isn't coming out quite right? Whether it's a steak that won't sear or eggs that won't stop sticking, the secret to effortless cooking often comes down to one simple thing: having the right tool for the job. In this video, we're going to walk you through the essential world of cookware so you can end the cycle of replacing cheap pans and start cooking with confidence. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring the different types of pans every home cook should know about. Understanding how each material conducts heat will save you money and transform your results in the kitchen. Let's get started. First things first, the stainless steel workhorse. Every kitchen needs a high-quality stainless steel frying pan, like the Clad D3, because it is the ultimate workhorse for browning and searing. These pans are prized for their tri-ply construction, which ensures even heat distribution and allows you to develop a fond, those delicious browned bits that form the base of professional pan sauces. While food may stick initially, it will release naturally once a proper crust forms, making this the perfect choice for steaks, chicken, and deglazing. Second, the legendary cast iron skillet. For unmatched heat retention, nothing beats a classic cast iron skillet from a trusted brand like Lodge. These pans are incredible because they hold on to heat even when you add cold food, making them ideal for deep searing, baking cornbread, or roasting vegetables. While they are famously heavy, the natural nonstick seasoning actually improves the more you use them, and they are durable enough to last for generations if you keep them dry and lightly oiled. Third, the nonstick morning essential. When it comes to delicate foods like eggs or pancakes, a quality nonstick or ceramic pan like those from Caraway is an absolute must-have. These pans are designed for low-stress cooking with minimal fat, ensuring that your breakfast slides effortlessly from the pan to the plate. Just remember that non-stick coatings are sensitive to high heat and metal utensils, so treat them gently and avoid aerosol sprays to keep the surface slick for as long as possible. Fourth, the professional's choice in carbon steel. If you want the benefits of cast iron without the heavy weight, carbon steel pans offer the perfect professional-grade alternative. These pans, such as those from Merten and Storck, are favorites in restaurant kitchens because they respond quickly to temperature changes while developing a slick, dark patina over time. They are exceptionally versatile for stir-frying, searing, and even making delicate omelets once they are properly seasoned and maintained. Fifth, the precision of copper pans. For the ultimate temperature control, copper cookware is the gold standard because it responds to heat changes almost instantly. This unmatched responsiveness makes copper the best choice for sensitive tasks, like making caramel, delicate fish, or complex sauces, where a few degrees can mean the difference between success and failure. While they do require more maintenance and polishing to keep their luster, the performance they offer for high-end French techniques is truly unparalleled. Sixth, exploring specialty options. Beyond the basics, you might want to consider specialty items like enameled cast iron or hard anodized aluminum to round out your collection. Enameled pans give you great heat retention without the need for seasoning, making them perfect for slow-simmered tomato sauces, while anodized aluminum provides a durable, scratch-resistant surface for everyday tasks. Even the shape of your pan matters, as straight-sided sauté pans are better for braising, while sloped-sided skillets are superior for tossing and flipping food. Seventh, choosing the right fit for your home. When making your final selection, always consider your specific stovetop and cooking style to ensure compatibility. If you use an induction cooktop, make sure your pans are magnetic, and always look for metal handles rather than plastic, so your cookware can safely move from the stovetop into a high-heat oven. Building a balanced set with a mix of stainless steel, cast iron, and non-stick will ensure you have the right thermal properties for 90% of everything you'll ever want to cook. Finally, focus on quality over quantity. The key to a great kitchen isn't about having the most expensive set, but about matching the right material to the specific task at hand. By investing in a few high-quality pieces and learning how to maintain them, you'll find that cooking becomes much more joyful and your food tastes better than ever. Start with the basics, identify the gaps in your routine, and grow your collection as your skills and recipes evolve. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.